Hello, everyone. I this lockdown's been a long haul. I bet everybody's feeling like this, but I've really struggled with this one. I think it's been because it's been the winter, and it's just felt like so long since I was able to paint with artist friends and see people. So I I've been thinking about workshops, and I know we will be able to do workshops together after the 17th of May, but that just seems like so long to wait. It's another 6 weeks. Online workshops have been absolutely amazing, and there's been so much wonderful stuff out there. I've done a few of those workshops myself, and they've been great. And there's a load of free stuff out there, which is fantastically valuable. And of course, the artists who have put time into building their full courses, you can buy some amazing or pay for some amazing online courses. And I'm about to start the Lewis Noble course, which is very exciting. I filmed a single lesson a little while ago, which you probably saw on my various social media feeds, and it took ages, and it gave me new respect for artists who actually do that, who do full courses. It's a huge amount of work. But I was thinking, it's collaborative. It's all about seeing people as well as working on your own stuff, because working with other artists feeds the creativity. We get ideas from other people. I know this from our October workshops, where we managed to squeeze a couple of workshops in just before the lockdown, and it was amazing. It was great. It just made me feel so uplifted, and I got that feedback from everyone who was there. Sadly, we won't be able to do that in large numbers until much later in the year, well, at least another 6 weeks. And in previous years, I've done things like Cambridge Open Studios with other artists, and of course run workshops through the year. So I decided this year, now I'm going to actually run a workshop in a couple of weeks' time, but I'm going to do it completely compliant with the rules, because with Rule of 6, which we can now apply from the 29th, so next Monday, we can have up to 6 people in an outdoor setting. So we've fished out our gazebos, which are great for sheltering underneath if there's a little bit of a spring rainfall. I've got 2 big tables. I've got an enclosed garden, which is great, enclosed as in a courtyard, but certainly an outdoor space. And so I've launched 3 workshops, 1 for April and 2 for May, the beginning of May. Each one is just a single day and will only take a few artists, so that we are underneath the total number of 6, including me and Mark, who will be here. So I can't take more than 4 artists. It's really limited. But if there are any of you who really want to come and do a workshop with me, we can do one. We can paint together. I'm hugely excited about it. I can't wait to be painting with other people. And I hope that if you like the idea, you'll sign up. I've written this blog post about it. It will there'll be links in the post, and hopefully, and if you're viewing this on Instagram, if you head over to my website, you'll be able to see the posts. And hopefully, I'll see some of you there. Bye.